Hello my dear candidates, I would like to welcome you to the new course website design. So here in this entire course I would like to inform you that we are going to develop a website using the Wix site. So I will go to Google, click on wix.com. So we have already created many websites on the Wix website builder. I'll just show you the sites how we develop it using the Wix website. So we can develop any category websites here. We have developed a training institute website, we have developed share market website, and we have developed website creation, website service related website, and we can also create any IT related website, corporate websites, real estate websites. So any kind of websites we can create using the Wix site here. So you should go to www.wix website. So these are the website which we have created in the previous stage. So this is the output of that particular website. So you can use n number of designs, icons, slideshows. Also you can use it, and it's absolutely free from the wix.com website. So here we are able to create one source, that is landing page, and if you don't want to create a landing page, you can create a separate home page, you can create a course page, you can create a duration, contact pages, sub pages also you can create here. So each and every page different designs also you can create. So any website will be able to create. So you can even create using the templates from the Wix website, and you can create on your own coding method also you can use. Along with that, the Wix website will allow one of the best option is AI website. So it will create on your own, just have to enter your requirements, it will create and it will show you the new website in front of you. So in the next class I will show you how to create, how to log in, how to register, and then how to start your own websites.